Good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. First of all, I'm extremely pleased to share that we crossed 1,000 plus short videos on two short videos app. Number one, Josh. Number two, Chingari. On Chingari and Josh, Treasury Consulting Group crossed 1,000 videos each. While as we speak on Josh, we are very near to 1150, between 1150 to 1200. While Chingari, we are moving towards 1100. Probably in this month, we would be crossing another 1,000 videos on a short app called Moj. So on three apps by end of November 2021, on three apps, number one is Moj, number two Chingari, number two is the Josh. We would be having more than 1,000 videos each. And as we speak, we shot around 1,200 plus short videos, 1 minute each, covering financial market in the last 3 months. So in the last 3 months, which is September, October, and November, we shot around 1,200 plus videos. Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we do have offices in 3 parts of the globe. Apart from that, we are 100% profitable concern, which means as we speak, we are having our own hedge fund, our own news desk, our own trainings academy, our own consulting business, our own family office desk, our own pension desk, our own private placement program, and many things. 100% profitable group, not a $0 is being invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm as we speak. And probably by December 2022, which is around 1 year from now, we would be crossing 1 billion plus market valuation, and of course 100% profitability. In case you wish to have any information, you can WhatsApp or my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818485155. India is really passing through the stage of transition. There is hardly any doubt, because Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, is giving fast approval to all loss-making companies. Let's raise the money and play with investors. Devnani International, Barbecue Nation, Zomato, Nikea, Policy Bazaar, Paytm, list is very long. And now Insurance Regulatory Development Authority is joining this race. But before that, let me read for you. There is an article which is dated on 30th August 2021. The copy of the article is shared on our media desk on Telegram. So you just need to open the Telegram and type the media desk and you will get the copy. It is free. Digital payment platform PhonePe on Monday said it has received in principle approval from IRDAI, which is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, to be a broker to sell life and general insurance products. With this, PhonePe said it can now offer insurance advice to over 30 crores users. PhonePe has been issued an insurance broking license from Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. You know, guys, now what is happening, whether this is SEBI or whether this is any other forum, everything is happening at granted. Now, let's take a very simplistic example. The simplistic example is the companies, those who never be in profit, they being asked to raise the money from investors, assuming one day they would be Amazon, example Uber, example Peloton, example many listed company, Airbnb. Just check the losses of Uber, Peloton, Airbnb, three companies after listing Robinhood, and you would get to know that they are more than Amazon. Now, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority is coming up with an approval of this insurance broking license to PhonePe. But before I speak about PhonePe, let me have a little relaxation here. What is insurance? I insured myself from Singapore because I trust Singapore. I know that God forbid if anything happen, then Singapore regulations will protect me. But am I going to be insuring myself in India? No. Never. But people, those who are insuring, they have a belief. And what the belief? They will get paid once there would be an issue. Or there is something which is known as claim. But insurance, I'm not saying that insurance is a loss-making business, but insurance is really a profitable business. Example, Life Insurance Corporation of India. Example, SBI Life. Example, HDFC Life Insurance. Example, ICICI Prudential, and many more stocks. They are not loss-making stocks. LIC is not loss-making. HDFC Life Insurance, Standard Life is not loss-making. ICICI Prudential is not loss-making. SBI Life. Because if you are a loss-making company, then how can you be in a business where people trust you? Where I am insuring my life or general insurance, assuming if there is a claim, I will get paid. These Bollywood celebrities are exceptional, like Amir Khan. Amir Khan is promoting AU Small Finance Bank because Amir Khan is an expert in banking. Amir Khan is promoting PhonePe because Amir Khan is an expert in insurance. In AU Small Finance Bank, Amir Khan is giving an insurance. If tomorrow anything happen, he will reimburse the people. And in PhonePe, he and Alia Bhatt together is giving the insurance. If anything happen, they will pay out the people. The joke is, in one of the advertisements of PhonePe, someone is pushing a big material on the cycles, and one by one cycles is collapsing. Amir Khan bike is at the end, and Amir Khan just opened the mobile phone, click, and insurance done. If this is a reality, it means there is no KYC check. It's a common sense. Now, Bollywood celebrities can promote crypto, insurance, toothbrush, mobile phones, condoms, apparels, homes, anything. And they don't need any license for that. They don't need any license for that. But in the country like India, a PhD is apply for a sweeper post. You don't trust me? Google. Latest is February, 2019. There's a website called Logical Indian. Tamil Nadu, over 4,000 applicants, mostly MBA and engineers, apply for 14 sweeper jobs. At the time when the generation of jobs have become a major bone of contention between center and opposition, around 4,000 people, mostly engineering graduates and MBAs, have reportedly registered for many as 14 sanitary workers job at State Assembly Secretariat in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. MBA and engineers are applying for sweeper job, but Bollywood celebrity can endorse any product. Amitabh Bachchan can promote crypto. He can promote non-banking financial corporation. He can promote pharmaceutical company. He can promote Pepsi, Coca-Cola. He can promote anything. Ranbir Singh, he can promote crypto. He can promote now this pipe. He can promote anything. Akshay Kumar and many such names I have. By the way, Akshay Kumar as of now is not promoting banks and non-banking financial corporation, but God knows. Amir Khan, the lady who performed in the Sher Shah movie, and now the same Amir Khan who is promoting AU Small Finance Bank, now he is promoting PhonePe. Now comes to the company. I told you that before I make video, I do the research. I never speak before research. And whenever I make a video, a copy of that basically backup, we store in a file so that even after 5 years, anyone come and speak, where is the backup? Like this. 2 pages. Year 2021. Losses 1728 crores. Financial year 2021, losses 1728 crores. Financial year 2020, losses 1772 crores. Financial year 19, losses 1904 crores. Financial year 18, losses 791 crores. Financial year 17, losses 129 crore. Financial year 16, losses 4.06 crore. You must be thinking why the losses is small. Guys, company founded in 2015. So if the company founded in 2015, the nearest audit is financial year 16. And since you founded in 2015, of course the losses would be small. Between financial year 2016 till financial year 2021, which precisely means 6 years. So financial year 2016 till financial year 2021, you lost near about 6,328 crores. In 6 years, you lost 6,328 crores. If I take $1 as 74, it precisely means 855 million US dollars. By the way, did Amir Khan told you about this? That he is promoting a company who lost 6,328 crores since inception? Oh, very sad. Did Amir Khan told you that the company since inception never been the profit? Very sad. I think Alia Bhatt might have told you this. If not Amir Khan, Alia Bhatt might have told you this. You please tweet to Alia Bhatt and say, "Dear Alia Bhatt, can you let me know the insurance company PhonePe is in losses since inception, and as we speak, the accumulated losses is 6,328 crores. Would you be taking a responsibility if today I buy an insurance product and later on they collapsed? Evergrande collapsed. Lehman Brothers collapsed. Bear Stearns collapsed. Merrill Lynch merged with Bank of America. Citi reached $1. American Insurance Group AIG reached near to default. Many leading examples. These all names: infrastructure leasing and financial services, Diwan Housing, Yes Bank. Just hope, as at that time of default of Yes Bank, Government of India said we are not going to be reviving Yes Bank. Then people used to believe these all names: Evergrande, Lehman Brothers, Bear Stearns, Merrill Lynch, AIG, Citi, Infrastructure Leasing, Diwan Housing, Yes Bank, BMC Bank, Satyam, many cannot default. Common sense. Very good common sense. Now, I got some data. Again, the article is shared on our media desk. This data is given by a website called NTracker, dated 18th August 2021, which is latest article. PhonePe is having a valuation of 5.5 to 5.7 billion. 41,000 crores in INR terms. I need water urgently. Because if I tally these two papers, financial year 16, 4 crore loss, 4.06 crore. Financial year 17, 129 crore. Financial year 18, 791 crore. Financial year 19, 1904 crore. Financial year 20, 1772 crore. Financial year 21, 1728 crore. Total 6328 crores. Since inception you are in losses, then how come you be 5.5 billion company? And how can you get the approval to have insurance products where I am securing my future? Where I am securing my future? Let me read again. Hold for a minute. Digital payment platform PhonePe. Digital loss-making payment platform PhonePe on Monday said it has received in principle approval from Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India to be a broker to sell life and general insurance. What is life insurance? You secure your future probably 10 years from now, 15 years from now, maybe more than that. And this is the performance of the company. I never speak without research. I never speak without research. I compute everything. If any offended analyst wanted to contact 9899242978. But I would like to ask few questions. Number one, a company who is in losses since inception, can this company be a going concern company accounting wise? How can the auditors of the company can say that this company is a going concern company, losses after losses after losses after losses, which means financial year 16, 4 crores, financial year 21, 1728 crores. Use the calculator. Third, Amir Khan is an expert in banking. Amir Khan is an expert in insurance. Just like Mr. Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan is also insurance, is an expert. He's an expert in crypto. He's an expert in NBFC. He's expert in Coca-Cola. He is expert in pharmaceutical. He is expert everywhere. Rest assured. So, $4,000 people mainly engineer graduates and MBA, have reportedly registered for as many as 14 sanitary worker job at State Assembly Secretariat in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. To be a sweeper, you need to have either MBA or an engineer. But to be a brand endorser of a bank and insurance company, you need to be a Bollywood celebrity. And now come to my last point, Competition Commission of India. Competition Commission of India said that Amazon is doing predatory pricing. First of all, I completely disregard. Is this not a predatory pricing by PhonePe that a loss making company is selling the insurance products? Is this not predatory pricing? Or this is approved? But if Amazon will start the insurance business in India, then it is predatory pricing. How dare Amazon start this business? Then it is predatory pricing. But by the time Amazon is not starting, it is not a predatory pricing. Digit Insurance, this and many more companies. Guys, at least LIC, HDFC Life, SBI Life, ICICI Prudential, they are in profits. And that it should be, you sell a pen or an Apple phone or maybe a computer or maybe a plane like Boeing, you're supposed to be in profit. Now, profit doesn't mean 30%, 40%. Profit could be 5% also. But can you believe today in India, insurance companies are asked to sell insurance when they are at losses since inception? And more importantly, in one case, Digit Insurance, it is being advertised by Virat Kohli, the man who won all World Cups. Irrespective of the fact that Virat Kohli himself invested in this company, which is definitely not conflict of interest. Definitely. As per media. And now PhonePe is being advertised by Amir Khan. Three Idiots. How can I forget that Amir Khan said in Three Idiots? Knowledge matters. How can I forget that? So similarly, if tomorrow Amir Khan will promote NASA, knowledge matters. I need to understand that. Sorry, I'm wrong. Guys, you are supposed to take the products from PhonePe. No LIC, no HDFC Standard Life, no profitable companies, because they got approval. And I'm sure you have invested your money in Zomato, Nikia, Paytm. This is my last warning. They all are approved. You're supposed to invest your money in that. And infrastructure leasing and financial services, Diwan Housing, Yes Bank, Lehman Brothers, Bear Stearns, AIG, Citi, they will not collapse. Right? Treasury consulting is not sold. Take a note of that. To all people, those who are offended, deeply offended, 9899242978. If there is a law that has to be same for everybody, Law cannot be different for different people. The preamble of all laws, whether this is India, United States, United Kingdom, or whatever, have a common foundation. Law is same for the people. Law never differentiate. A MBA and an engineering graduate is applying for a sweeper job, but a Bollywood celebrity without having any knowledge, any certificate, any degree, not a single YouTube video is being shot by these people to confirm their knowledge about the subject which they're holding. They are advertising the products. This is Rahul Makan from Treasury Consulting Group. Have a great time ahead.